Hello everyone. Let's discuss this question. This is one of the most important question for the board examination. And the question is, let f comma g such that R2R be two functions defined as fx equal to mod x plus x and gx equal to mod x minus x, and for every x belongs to R. Then find out f of g and g of f. Okay, so let's discuss. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the f of g. So let's discuss. So f of g equal to f of gx, that we can write, and we have gx equal to, that you can see over here, this one, mod x minus x. So we put this value in the function fx. So mod x plus x equal to, so in place of x, in place of this x, put this gx. So put it over here. Mod x minus x plus, and put this value once again. So mod x minus x. So we know whenever we have the mod function, so x is to be calculated, or the variable is to be calculated in two ways. Either the x is greater than or equal to 0, or this x is less than 0. That we have already discussed in the 11th class. Taking the help of the graph, we can understand it, why the x is more than or equal to 0 or less than 0. So there is no need to discuss that thing over here. So it is understood. So I am taking both the cases. So let's take if x is greater than or equal to 0, then what happens? So f of gx equal to, so when the x is more than or equal to 0, so this x will be positive. So under the modulus sign, you may write this x positive. So x, and this is not in the mod over here, but overall this is in the mod. So minus x, put in the mod, plus, and take positive sign, x and minus x. So you can see they will be eliminated. So you are getting 0. So now discuss for the when the x is less than 0, and if x is less than 0. So equal to, so so when the x is less than 0, So this x will be negative. This is, and this x is already negative, plus, and this x is also negative, minus x. Let's scroll down. So this comes out to be negative 2x in the mod sign, and this is negative x and negative x gives you negative 2x. So remove this positive sign from here, so it's not required. Negative 2x. So now simplify this one, as we already know the property. If A B in the modulus, so they can be written as mod A into mod B. We know this property. So use this property. Mod x and minus 2x. And you know, if the 2 is in the negative, negative 2 in the modulus sign, so that becomes positive. And this x in the modulus sign, but the x is less than 0, so this will become negative. So negative 2x and negative 2x gives you negative 4x. So the f of g when the x is less than 0 comes out to be negative 4x. This step generally confuse to many of the students, okay, how this minus 4x is coming, because most of the student they're getting the answer as 0, like they got over here 0. So they are putting in such a way that their answer is coming also 0, but that solution is not correct. So they have to solve like this only. So let's go further. Let's find out the g of fx. So now this can be written as all right, and we already have your fx equal to mod x plus x, that we can write. So under the g function we have to put this value. So g of modulus x plus x. So let's simplify. The gx is mod x minus x. So put this value plus x and minus mod x plus x. So again we know there is a mod. So two conditions when the x is greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0. So first of all we take when the x is greater than or equal to 0. When x is greater than or equal to 0. So this comes out to be when the x is more than 0, so this is positive. This is already positive, and here you see this is positive x, and positive that gives you 2x, positive 2x, and this 2x minus 2x equal to 0. Hope this step is clear. Now the second case, when the x is less than 0. When x is less than 0. So doing the same thing, when the x is less than 0, so this x, this one, you have to take negative. So negative x, and this is not in the mode, so let it remain same, minus, and this x will become negative, and this is positive x. So you know they cancelled out, that is also cancelled out, so this comes out to be 0. So let's write their values. Give a second. So f of g is equal to the value of the function comes out to be 0 when the x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is negative 4x when the x is less than 0, and the graph is this comes out to be 0 in both the cases. And this is 0 when the x is less than 0. And hope all the steps of this question is clear, and in case of any doubt, I am just putting my number over here, and you can write in the comment box in case of any doubt. So let's meet in the next video with some different and the important questions, and let us know the feedback and the doubts that you face while you're watching the video. Thank you. Have a good day.